Hello friends, in this topic we discuss preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene. This is oxidation process. In this reaction oxygen is added. Oxidizing agent is KMnO4 oblique KOH in presence of heat. We consider some examples here. So we understand how that alkyl benzene can be converting to carboxylic acid. See, try to understand. This is benzene ring containing CH3 group. So name of this compound is toluene. Toluene is methyl benzene. Methyl benzene is IUPAC. Oxidation process KMnO4 oblique KOH. Some heat is required. Actually, see, one carbon is there on benzene ring. So we have to add 3 atoms of oxygen. Total 3. One carbon equal to 3 atoms we have to add. Benzene ring. Total 3 oxygen atoms should be added. So 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen will form byproduct H2O. So 1 carbon remaining. Total 3 oxygen we will add. 1 is in byproduct H2O. So remaining 2 and 1 hydrogen should be there. So name of this compound is benzoic acid, or it is known as benzene carboxylic acid. Another example we consider in this manner. We have 2 alkyl group, means this is example of orthoxylene. Orthoxylene. Now we understand we will add 6 atoms of oxygen here. Oxidizing agent is same, KMnO4 KOH delta. So as we discussed in first reaction, now we have 2 moles of H2O byproduct. That means 6 minus 2, 4 oxygen remaining. 1 carbon here, 2 oxygen plus 1 hydrogen, C double H. The meaning is CH3 group can be converting to C double OH group. So name of this compound is phthalic acid. IUPAC name of this will be benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Again I repeat, benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. Now we consider example of ethyl benzene. CH2CH3. Name of this compound is ethyl benzene. Same oxidation process we have, KMnO4-KOH. Total 6 oxygen I will add. Now here combine, see, one and another, that means 2 carbon will be in same alkyl group. So one will go in byproduct. That means carbon dioxide we have byproduct CO2 and H2O. Try to understand this ethyl benzene should be converting to benzoic acid. One carbon will be in byproduct carbon dioxide. We have total 3 plus 2, 5. Here we have 1 hydrogen only. So 2 moles of H2 will be there. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 total of oxygen we have. So 1 mole of CO2 and 2 moles of H2O should be in byproduct. Now we consider example of isopropyl benzene. As we understand, isopropyl benzene is also known as cumene. Now you understand 1, 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 3. Total 9 oxygen should be added. Our oxidizing agent is KMnO4 oblique KOH in presence of some heat. So 2 carbon will go in byproduct. That means 2 moles of CO2 we have byproduct, and 3 moles of H2O should be in byproduct. 1 carbon should be converting to benzoic acid again. Total 9. 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, total 9 oxygen we have. This is oxidation process. In short, if we have 2 alkyl group at different position, then both should be converting to COOH group. But if it is in one alkyl chain like ethyl benzene, like cumene, then rest carbon will go in byproduct. That means they will form CO2, carbon dioxide. So this is our process, oxidation process, by which we can prepare benzoic acid. Other examples we will discuss in classroom. Thank you.